Hey Tom, I'm not sure you know the impact you've had on my life, but I'm glad we got the chance to spend such an amazing time together before you left. I know I spent a while deciding how to put this film together and how to tell the story of our trip, but while editing, I decided I'd make it for you.
He's so good.
Currently said it's to the biggest tree in the world based on volume.
Some mad thing.
Mad. It's times like these when you realise no matter how special the location or how exciting the activity, the people you spend your time with are what's important. Unfortunately, not everyone watching this has the pleasure of knowing you or our relationship, but between me and you, I couldn't have asked for a better person to grow up with over the last 25 years. When making your next steps in life, just know that I'll always be there for you, just as you've always been there for me. We made it. It is beautiful. We've done a lot of driving over the last couple of days. We're finally arriving at our final destination of the whole road trip, which is San Francisco. Over the last 20 years, we've spent a lot of time together, and a lot of that time has been spent watching movies. This time we got to make our own. I love you, bro.